speak the name of the program you want to experience. And the space is no issue for the Kansha's zero wall fit space saving technology, as this chair only requires 2 inches of clearance away from any wall surface. Kyota designs and builds uncompromising massage chairs. Every detail is carefully engineered to provide you with an incredible therapeutic massage experience. And all of that begins with just the click of a button. Feel great every day with the Kansha 4D massage chair.
Applying pressured strokes into the arches of the feet, stimulating major acupressure points such as the Yongxuan and the Tai Bai. Even better, it's adjustable to suit your height. Finally, the affordable price of the Genix makes it an indispensable commodity in your life. This is the time to take good care of your body, your health, and your state of mind. Make it an investment for your well-being.
Switch to voice mode.
Please tell your command.
Power on.
Okay. Power on massage chair.
Full body air massage technology. Shoulders. Armrests. Calf and foot. Foot rollers provide smooth kneading style massage. 4D massage mechanism. Smart body scan. The automatic body scan intelligently maps out the dimensions of the user's body. SL track. Zero gravity. The zero gravity position provides multiple angles of adjustable recline. Space saving. Only few inches are needed from the wall. Auto extendable footrest. Auto massage programs. Manual massage styles. Heat therapy. The heating pads loosen your muscles. Shortcut panel. Bluetooth speaker.
Voice on.
Switch off.
Okay. Switch off massage chair.
Introducing the Kyota Genki M380, a more sophisticated and feature-rich massage chair experience. From head to toe, the all-in-one Kyota Genki was designed to provide a full-body massage in just minutes. With one touch of a button, relax in the Genki's zero-gravity position to improve blood circulation and reduce the stress on your spine. With its state-of-the-art technology, from a 360-degree 4-node massage mechanism to calf kneading with oscillators, total soul reflexology rollers, and lumbar heat, this massage chair is well equipped for deep tissue massage to decrease your stress levels and tension. Kyota manufactures the world's most advanced massage chairs. Every detail is carefully engineered, from intelligent voice command control, built-in Bluetooth speakers, to its 12 automated programs, plus 3 that you can create yourself. This Kyota Genki was built to give the ultimate full-body experience. Everything is tuned to perfection to elevate your experience unlike any other. And all of that can begin with a voice command of, "Hey Kyota," or a button press on the intuitive remote control. If space is an issue, no worries, as the Genki's slide-forward space-saving design allows you to place the massage chair only 2 inches away from any wall surface. Incredible massage and loaded with features, this Kyota Genki massage chair is the right chair for you.